This is Arjun Dubey, and today I am presenting my environmental case study on the degradation of Aravalli Mountain. The Aravalli Range is one of the oldest mountain range in India and plays an important role in maintaining ecological balance. So let's first we have an introduction of the all the our case study. The Aravalli Range is among the oldest fold mountain system in India. It extends through states like Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, and Gujarat. It acts as a natural barrier against the spread of the Thar Desert. Apart from this, it supports the biodiversity, help is groundwater recharge, and regulates the local climate. So after that, the problem statement is about the today the Aravalli Range is facing serious degradation due to increasing human activities. Forest cover is decreasing rapidly, and its natural structure is being disturbed. This is causing habitual fragmentation and ecological balance and loss of importance ecosystem services. So this is our problem, and cause of degradation is like there are several reasons behind this degradation. First is in illegal mining where stones and mineral are extracted from a large scale. Second is deforestation for agriculture, grazing, and fuel, fuel food. And third is urbanization as cities and roads are expanding continuously. Lastly, curing and road construction are damaging and the landscapes permanent. These factors together are making the situation worse. So the environmental effect impact what is we are facing on. So the environmental impacts are very serious. Soil erosion has increased, making the land unstable. Wildlife habits as getting destroyed, and many species are disappearing, and biodiversity is declining. Groundwater levels are falling, and dust pollution is rising in nearby areas. So on the next slide, we have the social and economical impacts in the human resources or human impacts. So the degradation is only not only affecting nature but also people. Nearby villages are facing water scarcity. Temperature in these areas is rising, making the climate uncomfortable. Farmers are suffering because of low soil moisture and reduced crop production. So after this, the tribal and forest department communities are also losing their livelihoods. And long-term risks is because of if this continues, the long-term risk can be dangerous. The Thar Desert may expand into fertile lands, rainfall patterns, and in the North Indian may change, reducing uh, perceptions. The ecosystem may get permanently damaged, and the climate related disasters like droughts and heat waves may increases. So stakeholder and rules. So to solve this issue, many stakeholders have important roles. May must the government must make the strong policies and stop illegal mining. The forest department should focus on protecting and afforestation. Local communities can help through these all the traditional practices. Mining companies should follow environmental rules, and NGO can spread awareness and support restoration. So solution and recommendation is should be there are several solutions to protect the Aravalli. Illegal mining should be banned strictly. Large scale plantation of native trees should be done. Better land use planning is needed to prevent fragmentation. Public awareness campaign can encourage student and local communities to take uh, part and to take part in that. And strong laws and community support together can help resolve these ecosystem. So the basic conclusion of our case study is to conclude the Aravalli Range is a natural shield for North Indian. So its degrading is threatening biodiversity, water resource, and people's livelihood. Immediately action is necessary to protect it, and ancient mountain range saving Aravalli means saving our environment and futures. So this is my case study. Thank you.